Hi guys, welcome back to Valentino TV, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do some heart-shaped sugar effect with Valentino acrylic powders. So now I'm going to apply matte top coat. And I'm going to cure it for 1 minute. Now I like to wipe my matte top coat with a little bit of alcohol. It's up to preference. I'm also going to be using the number 45 from Valentino, which is our white. I'm going to place some in my board, and I'm going to draw some hearts. Now, an easy way for you to do a heart shape, a nice perfect heart shape, you guys can draw a V. Let's do a small line in the middle, and then we just join them. Okay, so now for the sugar effect, I'm gonna use our acrylic pigments 114 and 123. So this is what I like to do. So when I sprinkle it, I would like to put your So carefully sprinkle some of the 123. Be careful you do not touch it, and the white gel is uncured. Now I'm gonna switch to my 114. Make sure you clean your brush before you switch your pigment. I'm making sure that I'm saturating my white hearts with pigment. And now these will go straight to the lamp. So now I'm going to clean the excess powder. Beautiful. So I hope you guys liked the heart-shaped sugar effect. Thanks for watching.